The all-new third-generation Mazda CX-5 was unveiled last year, and the UK pricing has now been confirmed for the highly anticipated SUV. With more than 105,000 units sold in the UK, the CX-5 continues to be Mazda's best-selling model in the region. The new CX-5 will be available in 4 trim levels: Prime Line, Center Line, Exclusive Line and Homura. Every variant is powered by Mazda's updated 2.5-litre e-Skyactiv G petrol engine, producing 141 PS and paired with 24-volt mild hybrid technology, replacing the previous 2.0-litre entry-level engine. Exclusive Line and Homura trims offer a choice between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. While all models come equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission as standard, pricing ranges from £31,550 to £40,950. For 2026, the CX-5 has grown in size and adopts a more assertive design while staying true to Mazda's identity. The front end features slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted appearance, complemented by gloss black accents across the grille, lower body, wheel arches and side skirts. The result is a look that blends ruggedness with refinement. At the rear, Mazda introduces a new design direction, replacing the traditional badge with bold Mazda lettering across the tailgate. The slimmer, darker tail lights take inspiration from the larger CX-70 and CX-90 models, while dual exhaust outlets reinforce the SUV's sporty character. Inside, the CX-5 receives a major technological upgrade. A new central infotainment display available in 12.9-inch or 15.6-inch sizes offers smartphone-like usability, and for the first time in Mazda, built-in Google integration, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster is standard, with higher trims featuring a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system. The cabin has been redesigned for simplicity and more premium feel, with improved material quality, including available leather upholstery and suede-like finishes depending on the trim. Practicality has also been enhanced with family use in mind. Boot capacity has increased by 61 liters. Rear door opens wider for easy access, and the rear seats now feature a flexible 40-20-40 split configuration. Higher trims include a panoramic sunroof, while Homura models add ambient lighting for a more refined cabin atmosphere. A redesigned center console also provides additional storage. Under the bonnet, the CX-5's 2.5-litre e-Skyactiv G engine produces 141 PS and 238 Nm of torque. The front-wheel drive version accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds. Chassis and suspension upgrades improve the ride comfort and handling, while the SUV maintains strong practicality with towing capacity of up to 2000 kg.